Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Public DNS on Android. Many internet service providers use default DNS servers that can be slow or less secure. By switching to Google Public DNS, you can often experience faster website loading times and a more stable connection. This simple change can significantly improve your overall mobile browsing and app performance, making your online activities smoother and more secure. To begin, unlock your Android device and locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Tap on it, then find and select the network and internet option, or sometimes just Wi-Fi. Once you see your list of available Wi-Fi networks, press and hold down on the name of the network you are actively connected to. This action will bring up a small menu with further options. From the menu that appears, choose Modify Network. You might need to scroll down and tap on Advanced Options to reveal more settings. Here, locate IP settings and change it from DHCP to static. Now, you will see fields for DNS1 and DNS2. Carefully input 8.8.8.8 into the DNS1 field and 8.8.4.4 into the DNS2 field. Remember to save your changes. After entering the DNS addresses, tap the Save button to apply your new configuration. For the changes to fully register, it is important to disconnect from your current Wi-Fi network and then immediately reconnect to it. Once reconnected, you should experience the benefits of Google Public DNS, including quicker page loads, enhanced security against certain online threats, and a generally more stable internet connection on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.